Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make faux beef noodle soup. Roast beef bones and onions until charred, then simmer gently with star anise, cinnamon, cloves, ginger, and salt. Skim impurities and reduce heat to maintain a gentle simmer for several hours to extract collagen and flavor. Strain the broth, adjust seasoning with fish sauce and sugar, and keep warm while you prepare noodles and garnishes. Prepare proteins and noodles while the broth finishes reducing. Briefly blanch thinly sliced raw beef in near-boiling broth for a delicate, tender texture. Cook rice noodles to al dente, rinse quickly with cold water, and drain well to prevent clumping. Warm any slow-cooked brisket or tendon in the strained broth to marry flavors. Keep everything organized so each bowl assembles quickly and stays piping hot when served. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get more recipes. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers for storing your broth, leftovers, and garnishes without spills, perfect for busy cooks who love a tidy fridge. Check the description for the link and other deals, and take advantage of easy storage tips while you prep. Now let's get back to the video. Build each bowl by placing noodles first, then layered beef and any warmed cuts, and ladle steaming broth over to finish. Top with Thai basil, cilantro, thin onion slices, and a squeeze of lime for brightness and balance. Offer bean sprouts and sliced jalapeno on the side so each person customizes heat and crunch. Serve promptly so the broth stays hot and the textures remain distinct for optimal enjoyment.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.